Anong real name mo? Charlie. Those IDs that you have presented here given to the chairman is pwede kang makasuhan doon, ha? Sa ano, and then sabi na nga malakas ang loob mo na.
Just address
Yes,
your all your
to
statements to the chairman.
Sabi ni chairman na pwede kang makasuhan doon. So, well, andito nga yung si IDG, sir. Pwede rin namin, sir, na hiramin din yung mga ID, sir, for our perusal mamaya para kung ano man.
You can receive it from the
We can exert.
with the proper chain of custody of evidence.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
That we can have an in-depth investigation also on this one.
Thank you. You want to say
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, okay. Si Charlie, I think the committee has to thank Charlie. Without advice of assistance of counsel, siya po ay fully nag-cooperate sa ating committee. So if the committee really wants to crack this issue and then expose and destroy that syndicate operating in the province of Davao del Norte and maybe even beyond, we should extend some protection to Charlie. Okay, some assurance na may immunity siya. Unless, pero may unless to Charlie. Unless sa dulo lalabas na you have been lying all the time. Okay? Pagka ganon, of course, you have to also pay the price of face the music. But, if dahil sa tulong mo, di ba, unaided by counsel, gusto mong ilinabas mo sa sarili mo eh. We really established that there is a syndicate, okay, operating. We should be thankful to you. Instead na sabihan natin siya na he will face charges kasi baka yung ano niya yung willingness niya to fight bababa pag inasabi natin pwede siyang kasuhan eh. So at this moment in time, Mr. Chairman, assurance muna siguro that we will extend legislative immunity protection to Charlie. But of course, yun parati naman pasama yun kahit sa court system, gano'n yun eh. Okay? Unless it is proven at the end that he has been lying all the time to the committee. But if you're sure na you are not lying to us, lakasan mo loob mo. You have the backing and the protection of the committee headed by the best investigator in the Senate and in the country. Kung yung lead mo ay katotohanan, matutumbok po namin yung dulo niyan under the leadership of our chairman. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Your Honor. Thank you, Senator Coco. So,
Yes, go ahead, Senator
Mr.
Coco.
Chairman, last comment ko na lang kasi mag-aaral pa rin ako ng inaaral ni Senator Tol. Kaya yung maritime zones bill natin. Umalis si Senator Tol, nag-aaral. Kailangan ko mag-aaral din. Pero last comment ko na lang, Mr. Chairman. Yung unang suspicion natin na baka ang paglapit sa atin ni Governor Edwin ay pamulitika lamang, ay na-overcome na. Wala na yun because ito mo si Ana, si Charlie, who looks like he does not belong to a very influential family, nakaproduce ng 10 ID na GIP ID Dole. At first glance, mukhang original. At sa kwento, in honor ng service contractor, nag-release ng pera. So, ako, Mr. Chairman, in all honesty, I am beyond Davao del Norte politics. Hindi na para sa akin, hindi ito about Davao del Norte politics. Kailangan malaman na natin yung sindikatong operating behind this. Kaya wala akong ano sa Davao. This is no longer for me a Davao del Norte politics and it never was. Lumabas kasi na meron talagang ebidensya. So the mission of this committee now is to crack this wag na muna natin sabihin sindikato, but let's say a group which has taken advantage and still taking advantage of government programs like GIP, and then may allegation even AIC. So this committee, with the support of the minority, will get to the bottom of this. Okay? So kaya lahat na nakikinig sa atin, burahin na natin ito. This is not Davao del Norte politics. Serbisyo na ninyo itong dalawa, Governor, Vice Governor, Police Force of Davao del Norte. This is your contribution now to cleansing the government of those kung meron man syndicates or those taking advantage of government programs. So salamat sa inyong contribution. Ang contribution ninyo yung pag-umpisa, bring it to our attention. Senado ang tatapos under the leadership of our chairman.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Minority Leader.